Hi everyone, this is Human Behzadi from the Marvin Dusho Music Library. I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to show you how to navigate the HathiTrust digital library. And to do that, I have chosen an example, a print volume that is currently on the shelves at the Music Library, Beethoven Essays by Maynard Solomon. And I am going to search the HathiTrust digital library to see if there is a copy available through the emergency temporary access service that I described in my email message. So first and foremost, you would need to log in. You would choose your partner institution, which is McGill Library, McGill University in this case. There we go. Continue. It will take you to a McGill authentication page. So you would just authenticate with your user ID and password. There is an agreement that you will have to read and accept. And you're then taken to the database. Now, I'm going to do, you can do a simple search here, but I'm going to opt for the advanced catalog search and just type the name of the author and the title. And do the advanced search. And there it comes up. So you can see here that there is a temporary access button. So I'm just going to click there. And a page comes up with a yellow ribbon that says access to this work is provided through the emergency temporary access service. And you would need to check out the item as if you would check out the print volume from the library. So I'm just going to click checkout. And it's going to allow me to view the item. Now, this service is best for viewing an item online. You can download a page at a time, but you cannot download the book as a whole. And because it's only providing access to one user at a time, if you're done consulting the book, then you can actually return the book early by just clicking on this button on the top here. You would return it early so that it's available for the next user that will be coming in to use that book. And as I mentioned in my email, there will be direct links from our catalog in the upcoming days. Thank you so much, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any other questions. All the best.